YouTube, welcome back to the Bison Workshop. I'm Bob, and today we get to show you guys something that don't happen very often. Today is a score video, and what I've scored I have to go pick up, which is like 4 hours away. After I aired my first video on the four-wheeler rebuild, somebody from Pennsylvania, his name's Jim, sent me a message that he had a four-wheeler that I could have if I wanted to come and get it. Well, my cousin Randall, which is driving, say hey Randall, then I get to drive back. Working on adrenaline right now because I didn't get no sleep and he didn't either. So we're on our way. We left the house about a half hour ago, 45 minutes ago, so we got a long way to go, and we'll at least show you the state line. And I thought that was pretty nice of him to give me a four-wheeler, and it's got a blade on it, and it's got chains and a winch, and it's a 2002 Yamaha Big Bear 2-wheel drive. Looks identical to mine, except mine had camouflage trim and his is green. So we're on our way to Pennsylvania to pick up a four-wheeler, and that's Bison's score for the year, I believe. So we'll resume this when we get there. Well guys, now we run into snow. It is snowing on us to go get the four-wheeler. I don't like snow. It is now 12:00. Wait a minute, what time is it? It's now 10:26. And we're getting ready to come up on the Pennsylvania state line. So we got our ramps in the back of the truck, and here comes the Pennsylvania line. Let's show you the sign. We are now in Pennsylvania. Look at how pretty it is in Pennsylvania. All the snow on the trees. Yeah, that's pretty. Just hope it stays off the road. We're getting there. 10:41. It says we'll be there at 12:09, so that's what the GPS says. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll do a video when we get there. Well guys, we're here to get the four-wheeler, and we brought our ramps. We got our ramps, and we've done made it here to pick it up. How you doing?
Hi Bob.
I'm Bob.
Nice to meet you.
You know me. Where are we going?
Over there. So probably what you want to do, you can go back down this driveway, go down the road, and you'll see another driveway that cuts up. I'm over there. I'll split wood over there. That's where the quad's at.
I'll walk with you.
Okay.
Riding with him, that's pretty treacherous.
Is it treacherous?
Yeah, treacherous.
Yeah, that's some young kids today.
I'm going to put this in the video, our conversation too, just to piss him off.
You didn't have any trouble finding it?
No, not really. It was a help when you told him the little ins and outs.
Yeah, when you're coming in through the tubes, you got to stay to the left and you got to hurry up and go to the right.
Man, it's cold today.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you got it running?
No, I got my microphone running. I was over here splitting wood when I seen you pull up.
Better you than me. Them splitting days are over for me.
I got a log splitter, so.
I got natural gas.
Yeah, we don't have gas back here. It's just, I got fuel oil heat, well, wood burner heat.
Yeah, it's a little old Kubota.
Quad.
I bet it didn't have a little price.
Well, I bought it used. I bought it almost 3 years. It'll be 3 years ago now. Paid $12,500 for it.
Wow. So you do know Dave knows how, don't you?
Yeah. You know, Outdoors with Morgan, Mike and Melissa. You ever watch their channel?
Yeah.
They have a YouTube channel. He lives about 25 miles from here.
It's even got the hand protectors from Limbs. Here is the four-wheeler, guys. Got chains, got pretty decent tires on it, scraper, winch. Just needs a wash job. It looks identical to the one I have. Even got the up down for the winch. Yeah, buddy. Got the hand protectors. Pretty cool, huh? And I'd like to introduce you guys to the man who helped make this possible. YouTube, this is Jim.
Hi, Bob.
He seen my ad about the first four-wheeler I had, and I had to do all that work, and he decided to give me this four-wheeler, and I thought that's pretty nice of him. So you guys give a thumbs up for this, because he's doing a good deed. Anyway, we'll see you when we get back home. Alright guys, it's dark, but we got it home, and he's riding it. He's riding. We'll meet you over here on the other side where it's got some light. A little dark out here. I was hoping to get here sooner, but we have a running four-wheeler, man. Thank you very much, Jim. I'll never forget you for this. Needs the carburetor cleaned, and I need a battery. For now, we just stuck my lawnmower battery on it like that to get it to go. And you can't ride it with the seat because the cords are in the way, so I'm gonna have to get a new battery for it. So hopefully sometime soon I'll have a battery. But the carburetor needs to be cleaned. But man, it's a hell of a deal, man. Free four-wheeler from one of my subscribers. I am very tickled that people like me that much to give me something that nice. Again, Jim, thank you very much. I enjoyed going up there and getting it. Me and my cousin got to hang out a little bit and got a four-wheeler at the same time. And the offer still stands when we was talking about you hunting. Anytime you feel like you want to come down and hunt with us, you're more welcome to. Well, that's what you see, or that's what I got today. And I just wanted to take a little time here at the end of this video to say thank you very much for Jim for giving me this four-wheeler, and let everybody know that there are still good people out there. He was a real nice guy, and I invited him to come hunting with me and Randall, and I'd like to see him do that, because that'd be my way of giving back. So what I'll probably end up doing is using my four-wheeler as a parts four-wheeler until I can get the money to get the parts for that one. So I've got a bunch of parts here, but the one that I got today, it just needs the carburetor rebuilt, and we put new gas in it, and then I'll just fill it up with gas. But then a plug, I'll just take that out and clean it. But it sounds good, runs good. Randall run it around the yard here a little bit with no seat, of course, and worked out pretty good. Clutch needs to be adjusted on it, so we'll adjust that tomorrow. And yeah, I think I'm going to concentrate on that one and get it fixed up. I had to take them rubber hand grips off because they were just nasty. Anytime rubber sets for that long without any use, it turns gummy. And every time you put your hands on the hand grip bands, that gummy stuff was nasty. We had to cut them off of there. But I had a set coming for the other one, so that's probably what I'll end up doing, is just take the set that I had for the other one and put it on that one and get that one nice and fixed up and reliable. We think it needs bearings too, so who knows what's in store. But I think that was a great thing that he done. And even Randall said, I can't believe he did that. He said, that restores my faith in people. He says, I just never had that much faith in somebody like you do. And I said, well, they're out there, and Jim's one of them. So Jim, thank you very much for the four-wheeler. I will never forget it, and I will always cherish it. So your four-wheeler literally became my very first running four-wheeler. So the other one you can't count it because I haven't had it running. Don't even know if it runs. We don't know what they've done to this thing. It's sat around in bad weather, and it was just, well, you've seen it. It was in pretty bad shape. So I'll take these wheels and I'll put them on the four-wheeler that I got today. And then I'll take those and put them on my other one. And I'm going to have that thing cleaned up and nice and pretty before it's over. It's just cold and rainy today, and it's been rainy here for the last week. And it doesn't know what it wants to do. It either snows, sleets, or rains. Sometimes all of them. And we got home, and as soon as we got the four-wheeler off the ramps onto the ground, it started pouring rain down. I don't know if that's a sign or not. But anyway, thank you very much, guys, for bearing with me on this little score video. I just wanted to show that, and mainly because I'd like for people to know that there are good people out there, and that you shouldn't give up on people. And I know it's hard for me to say because I do give up on people, but in all rights, I shouldn't. So don't take it from me. Just do what I say. Ain't that the old saying? Do as I say, not as I do. Anyway, you guys have a good one. Later.